So here we have 3 brand new 2023 Goodman GNZ, I think. Goodman heat pumps running. I just pulled the wrappings off of all 3 of these right here. I just pulled all the wrappings off the logos so they're nice, fresh looking. Right here, just peeled that off of these. So yeah. Brand new unit smell, love it. I think that's a Bristol, yeah, or sorry, not a Bristol. Rotary, yeah. Production fan motor. 14.3 SEER, 2023, 2-ton, yeah. GSZB14. GSZB. It's the model of these. It's brand new 2023 Goodmans. Rotary scroll. 2023 2-ton GZB GSZB. And we got this one over here. This one right here, that's off. Yeah, that's rotary. Broad Ocean. I like to catch this one starting up, so 2023 2-ton GSZB. So yeah, 3 brand new 2023 Goodmans. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.